Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the Eurotunnel app. So let's get started. So to download and install that, you have to follow this easy step. So first of all, if you are an iOS user, then you have to open your Apple Store. And if you are an Android user, you can use your Google Play Store as well. So here I will just use my Google Play Store or my Google search bar, and you can directly search for the Euro Tunnel app. Okay, so from here you can just click on here and you can directly download and install the app from here. When you just click on install, and it will automatically download and install. So by this way you can do it, and it's an easy way too. So if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.